Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain by default, right, if you're recording camera on your iPhone, so it is flipped actually. So see, there is Hot Wheels and Forza, it's just flipped. Okay, so how to fix that? Okay, you can change under settings. Even though if you're changing right under your settings, it might not be working, but after recording, right, you can edit it. So that's what I'm going to explain. Before that, I just want to show the settings. Under settings, go to camera. Okay, under camera, right, you need to just enable this mirror front camera. So you need to enable this. You need to enable this mirror front camera. Even though if it is enabled, but your recording video is getting flipped, you can fix that. So go to photos and open it. Go to photos and open your video and click on this edit here. So here you need to tap on this edit. Okay, edit, and here you need to tap on this crop. Okay, so here is the options flip. Okay, so you need to tap this flip. So now it's changed. That's it, friends. Now tap done, automatically it will be saved. So now I'm going to play the same video. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix mirroring issue on your iPhone. So this is the edit button and crop, tap this flip. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.